This job for AWS Cloud Engineer is based in Sydney, Australia, in the R Group. R Group is one of the premier consultancy in Sydney and is part of NCS Next Now. This is a hybrid role, and in order to be successful in this role, you need to have technical specialization in at least two of the areas, including either web and enterprise content management system or DevOps and continuous delivery. If you have any exposure to databases and big data platforms, that would be a big plus. You should also have some exposure to microservices and integration, plus application performance and optimization. If you have any experience with mobile application platforms and IoT and any other emerging technology, that's always a huge plus. As far as far as I know about our group, it is quite a dynamic space for smart thinkers, and their work-life balance is also quite good. And as per my contacts in the R groups, I have seen that they work on very interesting projects and the career progression is quite good. But this is in no way, I'm not recommending or suggesting anything. I'm just sharing my own thoughts. So do your own due diligence. And if you think that this role is for you and if you like the sound of our group, then go to their website and apply directly from